I eat so much shrimp, I got iodine poisoning. I'm back today. You see? Gotta fix that. Little glue problems. You know, you do the whole thing. It's gonna hurt. So we gonna glue parts that's not glued. You wanna use your better judgment. I feel like the parts that haven't come unglued are not gonna come unglued. Acetone, cotton balls. Acetone and cotton balls are my best friends, bro. What I'm doing now is prepping the area that I'm finna glue. All I'm doing is stripping off that old glue. I already cleaned these jokers. I don't even say that. Why the fuck did I say that? Why the fuck did I just say jokers? I don't know. Glue! This type of shit I gotta do when people rush me. Now we wait. Give me 8 minutes. Guess who's back? Man, I've been fucking working relentless all morning, bro. All morning. My camera died. I got these boys done. Ain't nothing now left to do but to lace them up. Embrace them. Now that I'm done with the video for Instagram, I realized while I was doing this, yes, I'm done, but there was a part that I had reglued that I just need to reheat in the meantime. So I'll be reheating that, not putting that on Instagram, but it's gonna be on YouTube. This the good shit that y'all get from YouTube. But this video over with, cause this ain't shit to show you. I'll holler next episode.